The CAVC is very good for regulating air volume. So the regulating air volume, as you can see, we have a scale from 1 to 7. So in that scale, we can adjust the airflow to from 1 to 7. Setting at 1, we'll keep the airflow at that setting, and setting here, let's say for example on 6, it will keep that airflow. It doesn't matter what the inlet pressure is. The inlet pressure could be as high as 4 inches of inch water static, and we can keep that airflow exactly within plus or minus 10%. So for regulating air valves, use Royal Service CAVC regulating air valves. For use and air balancing, use Royal Service V8V regulating air valves. For air balancing, use Royal Service VAV regulating air valve CAVC models. Okay, and then I'll show the photo here of this model. Okay, we have different sizes. So this is our round model, a rectangular model. We have many sizes. And we can double stack. So we're the only company that have the double stack CAVC. There's no power involved. It will keep your airflow regulated at the required airflow. So if you're going to buy a regulator and you want to air balance and you want to do proper engineering, select Royal Service CAVC.